we'll guide you through how to make another Discord account. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to have another Discord account, maybe one for personal use and one for work. To go and get started, we need to go and open up a web browser. We're currently in the app, but open up a web browser for now of your choice. Now what we need to do is go and search for Discord like so, and you can come to discord.com. Head to the top right where it says login and press there. Now what you want to do is come below the login and you can go and press register, and we can go and create a new account. So what you need to do is go and enter in your email, go and enter in a display name. That does not have to be unique, whereas username does have to be unique, and you can't have the same username as anyone else. Choose a password and enter in your date of birth. You need to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. I've already read them, and we can press continue. We've now been logged in and we can use Discord in our browser with the other account, but we can add it to the app. So come to the app, click on your current account in the bottom left, and you can click switch accounts. And then press add an account, and you can then go and sign it in here. I've now gone and switched to it, and we can switch between accounts by clicking on it in the bottom left, and then we can scroll down and press switch accounts and quickly go and switch. It's that simple.